All right, so today I'm going to show you how to use this Portland electric pressure washer. Frankly, it's my first go at an electric pressure washer. I've always used gas ones. I actually picked this one up at an estate sale for $40, so it was quite a steal, and I wasn't expecting to purchase it. However, very easy to use, and for the everyday homeowner, this is plenty. 1750 PSI, again, which is plenty. If you're just pressure washing your driveway or your sidewalk or your house, you don't need more than that. So let's go ahead and set it up right now, show you how to use it, and I think you'll appreciate it as well. We are going to connect the nozzle as such. Simply sticks in there and then rotates. That's on. And then this has a locking mechanism, so we'll put that in there, lock it. That's good to go. Now all we'll do is take the end, push it kind of hard, and then twist this tight. All right, so we're just going to take the end of the hose, it's a reverse thread, so you'll twist it left to tighten it. Now we need to go plug it in. All right, so to operate this thing, we're going to start by pushing the reset button up top. Then we're going to press test. Then we're going to press reset again. Now let's go turn it on. All right, so after we turn the hose on, we can see that the stream is working. Now let's turn it on. And that's it, folks. You can see that's pretty easy to use. Cleanup is just as easy as getting it set up. Couple things to remember is you always want to turn the water on first before you turn on your pressure washer, and you always want to keep a little bit of pressure going until it starts. Otherwise, the pressure is going to build up in the system and in the hose. So you want to keep the water released like that as you're getting started, and that's it. Hope this was helpful. Look forward to always being a resource. Reach out anytime.